Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's big project is I'm going to clean out the refrigerator. It's not bad, but it's due for wiping down, so I'm going to first do the dishes to get any dishes that are in the sink out of the sink. I'm also going to unload the dish rack so that way I have space to put all the dishes that I wash. And then I'm going to take everything out of the refrigerator and put it onto the counter and the stove behind me. And I'll take the shelves out of the refrigerator, wash them in the sink, and also wash the framing around the drawers and the drawers if they need it. I'm going to wash everything in the refrigerator, so I'm going to get started on that now. Okay, so in this part of the video, I am unloading the refrigerator. I'm clearing everything off of the top shelf and putting it over on the stove so I can get ready to pull the shelf out and scrub it down in the sink. You may notice to the left a little bit there, I have the rocker with my baby in it, so she's in there sort of watching me as I'm unloading everything from the refrigerator and getting ready to wash down the shelf. Okay, this is me washing off the shelf in the sink. I was just running sort of warmish hot water over the shelf and using the same dishcloth that I used to wash the dishes to wash it off, and just spraying it and flipping it over and getting the other side as well. After I finished washing it, I was scrubbing it really good there. I took a towel and I was wiping it down so that way it didn't have a lot of moisture on it when it went back into the refrigerator, because I didn't want it to have any more marks on it from being wet and get water stains on it. Even though it looks like I just went straight to the third shelf in the refrigerator, I actually did take out and wash the second shelf as well. For some reason I thought the camera was on and recording, but when I looked at it, it shut off, so I didn't actually get video of the second shelf getting cleared and coming out and getting washed off, but it did in fact happen. And then the third shelf here, for some reason I could not seem to get it out. I even took the drawers out, tried to remove it, but it didn't seem to want to budge, although my husband this morning was able to get it to lift. But anyway, I took the drawers out and cleaned around it within the refrigerator, which wasn't nearly as easy as taking the shelves out to do it. this is just a bit of video of me cleaning out one of the drawers. I did get to clean out and wash both of them, but I got a call from my 13-year-old that he was ready to be picked up from school, so I didn't actually get to video all of me washing out and drying and putting both drawers back into the refrigerator, but I assure you it did happen. But this is me cleaning out and washing the first drawer at least. Okay, this is video of me washing out the second drawer. I actually did get video of that being washed out, and then I didn't get video of me putting the stuff back in the refrigerator though, unfortunately. So this is my now nice cleaned out refrigerator. I hope it inspired you to clean out yours. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.